Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make peanut butter and chocolate chip cookie bars. Let's get right into it now.
What you're going to be needing is some semi-sweet chocolate chips, salt, baking soda, peanut butter chips, sugar, cane sugar, 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup, 2 eggs, all-purpose flour, pure vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350. Okay, first we're going to start with the dry ingredients. Have 2 cups and 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of salt added already. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm just going to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, now in another bowl, you're going to go ahead and add in your 2 sticks of butter. Now we're going to go ahead and add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And now we're going to start mixing it all together. Now you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Now you're just going to mix it all and add 1 egg at a time. Now you're going to add in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it. Okay, now you want to start adding in your dry ingredients. First, you want to add in half of it, and then mix, and then add the other half. Now that's all mixed, we're going to go ahead and add in our chocolate chips and peanut butter chips. I personally just put in half a cup, but you can put in as much as you want to. You're just going to mix it all together now. And now I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out on a cookie pan. I put some baking spray before. You could personally use butter or any other kind of thing so it won't stick. You're going to go ahead and spread it out, and don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. ahead and set your timer for 25 to 30 minutes. After you let it sit out for 15 minutes, you could go ahead and begin cutting it into squares. And there you have it. They're cookie bars.
If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, God bless.